Have you ever watched Iron Man and wished you had a smart assistant like Jarvis? Imagine having someone or something that can help you with your business plan.
I need a plan, bro.
Or your homework, or even play your favorite music just by asking. So remember that scene from Iron Man where Tony Stark said,
Jarvis, you there?
At your service, sir.
Gauge heads-up display.
Check.
I think that's where AI is going to. Imagine saying, "Hey Jarvis, remind me to call Femi by 5.
Okay, I added it.
That's what AI is about. It's like having your own Jarvis, but not as dramatic. AI stands for artificial intelligence. That's just a fancy word for saying smart computer program that can learn and help you. Think of it as having a super helpful friend who never gets tired and knows a lot of stuff. It learns from you, just how YouTube knows what videos you like, or how your phone suggests words while you are typing. Just like Jarvis learns from Tony Stark, AI learns from your likes and dislikes just to help you better. Imagine telling your phone, what is 5 times 5?
The answer is 25.
Or play me Burna Boy's latest song.
Update by Burna Boy, now playing on Apple Music.
Now that is AI learning your music taste. We're not at Jarvis level yet. Who knows, maybe one day we'll have our own AI that you can have a conversation with, learn and help us like Tony Stark. But for now, AI is here to make life easier, not to take over the world. What would you ask your Jarvis if you had one? Let me know in the comments. And if you want to learn how AI can help you with everyday tasks, just hit the subscribe button.